How to get rid of blackheads, 6 expert tips. If you're dealing with blackheads, you may be wondering how to get rid of them on and around your nose. Here are 6 options you can try, from DIY remedies to dermatologist recommendations, plus prevention tips that will help keep blackheads away. 1. Wash your face twice a day and after exercising. I'm sure this isn't the first time you've heard that washing your face regularly can help with acne. It's a good idea to wash your face even in the morning to remove any dirt or bacteria that may have gotten on your face at night. You'll also want to make sure you're washing your pillowcases regularly. Just be careful not to over-cleanse, which may strip skin and actually make it produce more oil to compensate. Be sure to wash as soon after exercising as possible. A face cleansing wipe is great for this if you don't have easy access to a sink. 2. Use pore strips to remove blackheads on your nose. Pore strips act like a magnet to instantly lift out deep down dirt and oil. If you're looking for a way to get rid of blackheads on your nose instantly, pore strips are your best bet. With regular use, pore strips can help reduce the appearance of your pores. 3. Try salicylic acid in your face cleanser to get rid of blackheads. Consider a daily face cleanser with salicylic acid. This ingredient helps control oil and prevent acne by deep cleaning your pores and helping get rid of dead skin cells on your face. 4. Exfoliate with a gentle face scrub. Add a gentle face scrub to your weekly routine. For effective exfoliation, you only need to exfoliate 1 to 3 times a week, depending on your skin's sensitivity. Avoid over-scrubbing your skin, as it can cause your pores to go into oil production overdrive, which will lead to more blackheads. 5. Add a pore clarifying toner. To prevent excess oil and refine your pores, add a pore clarifying toner into the mix. Using toner can help remove residue and control oil to prevent and treat blemishes. It can also help you avoid clogged pores, which can lead to blackheads. An extra bonus is if your facial toner has salicylic acid to help prevent your skin from getting too oily. 6. Try a clay mask. Add a clay mask to your weekly routine for an extra boost of care. Our brightening clay mask helps lift away dead skin cells and improve your skin's tone and texture to reveal a healthy, bright complexion. Tips. How to prevent blackheads on your nose. 1. Wash your face twice a day. 2. Use oil-free lotion and sunscreen. 3. Wash your pillowcases once a week. 4. Avoid touching your face. Thanks for watching.